Hey guys, it's Mohammad Tasin. Welcome to our number series part 1. And today we will cover prime number. What is a prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as prime number. Like there are many prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. And 2 is only even prime numbers. There are many prime numbers, but 2 is only an even prime number. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Now I will find factor of 13. Is it prime or not? So it is 1 factor 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 13. Yes, 13 is a prime number. It is a prime number because it has 2 factors, 1 and itself means 13. Now I have prepared a test for you and you have to tell me is it prime number or not in the comment section below. If this video is somehow knowledgeable for you, make sure to like this video. And if you want second part of this series, comment down. Or had a confusion in other numbers like twin, prime numbers, Roman numbers, also comment down and I will clear these topics to you. And now we will move to our test. And first question is that 23 is a prime number or not. Let's check it. So 23 had factor 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, not 10, not 11, not 12, not 13, and yes, 23. 23 is a prime number. Yes, it is. And now second question is that is 27 a prime number or not? Let's check it. It is prime number or not. First we will write 27 and find its factor. Like its factor is 1, 2, no, yeah, 3. Yes, it is factor. So 27 is not a prime number. And now we have third question that 12 is a prime number or not. Let's check it. First we will write 12 here and find its factor. Its factor are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, not 5 and 6 and itself. So it is also not a prime number. And now the fourth question is 17 a prime number? First we will write 17 here and find its factor. 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, not 10, and it's 17. Yes, 17 is a prime number because it has 2 factors. First one is 1 and the second one is 17. And if you watched our video till now, so thank you. Allah Hafiz.